So hi everyone, I am Kayum and in this video we're going to see the difference between add method and character add method inside JavaScript. So as we can see on the screen that I have divided the screen into two parts so that we can see the difference on the both methods uh, while hands-oning. Okay, so first we will create uh, a sentence variable which is of type of string. So first we are forgetting the first case we will see that forgetting the last character in the string, we will use at and then mention -1 here. Okay, so forgetting the last character in a string, we will mention -1 in the place of the index, so it will give us the last character in the string. So as you can see that we are getting w from this string. So as you can see that w is the last character in this string. So after mentioning -1 in the place of index, we are getting w. Same we will do with the sentence. Same we will do with the character method. So here also for getting the last character in the string, we will mention a character at, then variable name, then length -1. Okay, so this will give us the last character in the string. So let's test it. Then variable name, string variable name, then character at, then again string variable name, then with the length -1, so it will give us the last element of the string. So you can see that by using this also we can get the w. The only difference is that here in the add method we just need to give -1, while in this character add method we need to mention the variable name dot then length then -1. Okay, so in this way we can get it. So for example, for the second last character, we will mention sentence, then add, then -2. Okay, so this will give us second last character in the string. Okay, so you can see that O is the second last character in this string. So while this is for add, and now we will again going to see the same scenario with the character add method. Then again console.log, then sentence, then character add, again here sentence, then length, and here for getting the second last element we need to mention -2 here. Okay, so we will get the second last element. Okay, so here you can see that the difference is here in the add method we just need to mention minus sign for the reverse order, and in the place of character add method we need to mention the variable name dot then the length and again minus the character index. So in this way we can use the add method and character add method. So thanks for watching guys, hope it will be helpful for you.